Good morning, Franklin Vipers. Today is your second day of the Common Assessment, and we're just going to continue to walk through quickly how to access that test. It's very similar to the math section. You go into your IT recommendations, and we'll start with, if you go through Clever, you can go through Clever here, and you get in to your account, and your Clever screen can look something similar to this. You're going to find that big Schoology. Click onto that, and you're going to come to those classes, those courseworks again. So it's ADM 046 for 6th grade, 047 for 7th grade, and 048 for 8th grade. You'll notice that these are the right ones because it has my name somewhere in the description of admin. So it's Suzette Luster. Look for those because I know you'll have different courses on yours. You're just going to click into that, and you are going to see the math or the ELA. What you need to do is click on to ELA. It's going to bring you to this window. You click start, and then just hit submit. Okay. Let's look at this for 1 second. Some of you yesterday were not able to get into the math portion because there was some kind of a glitch. So if you were not able to log into the math one, you need to make sure that you go at the same time that you're doing this, you're just going to click into that math. If you couldn't get into it yesterday, and you're going to hit start, submit for the sections here. Okay. If you're going to go through the IT recommendations, you can go directly to Schoology in your pull down menu, and it'll come directly to the classes. Again, you look for my name, Suzette Luster. If you weren't able to successfully get into math yesterday, we hopefully have fixed that. So go in and make sure you start math for us from yesterday, and then make sure you start ELA for today. You have 110 minutes to take the Common Assessment. What we noticed yesterday when you were all taking the assessment and we were scoring them is there's an art to taking this Common Assessment in the way that you bubble in and the way that you write stuff. So please make sure that you are bubbling in the correct answer and not putting a check on it, circling it, whatever. You have to bubble it in correctly. As we are able to score them still, it's just not the proper way to get that done. So another standout in the assessments yesterday that we noticed was that you were crossing off items that were not appropriate, that were not part of the answer that you were looking for. It's your process of elimination, which was great. But when you do that process of elimination in the actual bubble, that throws everything off for you in the scoring process. So let's just make sure that we're following those good guidelines, and then your teachers are going to go over the bubbling process in your assessment and then have a script to get you ready. We're wishing you the best of luck.